Oh, Mark opened the box. The box is opened. Got all the pieces?
Probably.
Noodle says he approves of the dirt color. Yes. He says he can play Martian Biodome. Is it like Legos?
Yeah, it's a big Lego kit. It's like a big IKEA kit.
Cool. How do you feel?
Like a boss.
Yeah? You just made the inside of a whale.
Yes. Tomato whale.
Tomato whale. Oh. It's big.
Tomato.
Looks pretty good. Almost finished.
Fish mail.
Mark needs to mash one of the pipes because it came kind of not as it was supposed to.
Unfinished.
Otherwise, we would have totally finished today. But yeah, it's just this and then we're done. All right, let's eat.
Let's do it.
There's gonna be so many tomatoes in there soon. Tomorrow we can tighten and finish, and then maybe on April 1st we can put the big tarp blankie over it and it will be like done. Lots to do from there, like irrigation and the benches that the bags will go on and preparing soil, but the structure is pretty much there. We got a lot done. We lucked out and had some good weather back to back, so